Appreciate you, bro.
A fighter that I think you sparred Cool Boy, right?
Yeah, I sparred Cool Boy, yeah.
Cool Boy is facing Naoya Inoue. What was that, May 7th?
Yeah. In Japan, right? Japan.
In Japan, yeah.
That's right.
Who wins that fight, Chris?
Cool Boy, I gotta give it to Cool Boy. I mean, his opponent he's gonna bring it, but I got Cool Boy with a decision. You know, the other dude, he's strong, he's sharp, but I got Cool Boy, bro. He's a different animal.
That's right.
Now, you've been in the ring with him, right? You know, people always talk about his boxing skill, and then people talk about his defense and his power. Like, what's his best quality to you?
I say his defense. His defense is crazy. Like, y'all, his last fight against Figueroa, he was banging a lot, but when you actually see him spar in the ring, behind closed doors, his defense is crazy.
He surprised a lot of people by standing toe-to-toe with Brandon. And that's Brandon's fight.
He can bang, he can bang inbox. Yeah, Cool Boy got it all.
How do you see that fight ending? Decision, stoppage, what?
I say decision. Decision. On Cool Boy's end though.
Yeah.
I got Cool Boy winning for sure. But just because that, what's his name?
Naoya Inoue. They call him the monster.
He tough though. I give it to him. He got all the belts. But yeah, I got Cool Boy winning decision for sure.
That's right.
All right. Last question, Chris. Big fight. Probably guys that you may end up facing in the future because they're around your weight. Gervonta Davis, Ryan Garcia.
I give it the Tank.
You said that quick, Chris.
Gotta give it the Tank, bro.
Gervonta Davis.
Gotta give it the Tank, bro.
Gervonta
His
Davis.
power